Well, anytime a former president's involved in anything, it's a Fox News alert.
Breaking news. Breaking news. Former President Bill Clinton makes a surprise visit to North Korea.
His mission to secure the release of American journalists Laura Ling and Yuna Lee.
This is just the second time a former president has traveled to North Korea.
It's extremely high profile. This is Bill Clinton, his first mission for President Obama.
He's known as a diplomat. The rest of the world basically love this guy. So can he make his magic work there?
Can President Clinton get them out? And how much of this deal was cooked before he went over there?
This was a carefully planned, carefully orchestrated trip that could win the release of those two journalists and then some.
I noticed that at the airport, former President Clinton, was greeted by Kim Dae-Gwan, who's head of the nuclear negotiating team for North Korea.
So that suggests that perhaps his mission is broader than just getting those two gals sprung.
The administration has been trying to keep these two things separate, the journalists on one side and the standoff over the nuclear program of North Korea on the other side.
The North Koreans had two demands: an apology from the U.S. and a high-profile emissary to come to North Korea.
Bill Clinton would not have gone to North Korea unless he was certain that he would be coming back with the two journalists.
You would expect that you would not send a former president knowing that he's not likely to be successful.
I have to think that Bill Clinton is not going to walk out of there with absolutely nothing.
And I think for the North Koreans, they get the propaganda value of the highest level visit in a decade.
You know, a former head of state gives them a lot of face.
And then you can't forget, of course, that Hillary Clinton and Barack Obama were also rivals in the primary. So you got a lot going on there.
It was no secret during the campaign that Barack Obama and Bill Clinton did not necessarily have a close relationship.
You haven't heard a lot about President Obama calling up President Clinton and saying, hey, what about health care reform? Hey, what about cash for clunkers?
I'm really glad, though, to see Bill back in a role. I mean, he's been champing at the bit. And the fact is that, you know, the Obama administration would rather have eat cheeseburgers than give him a role.